Dear GATE aspirants, here you will find Engineering Mathematics Syllabus Distribution branch-wise. In CSE, you will have Linear Algebra, Calculus, Probability and Statistics, Discrete Mathematics. In ECE, Linear Algebra, Calculus, Ordinary Differential Equation, Partial Differential Equation, Probability and Statistics, Complex Analysis, Vector Analysis. In EEE, Linear Algebra, Calculus, Ordinary Differential Equation, Partial Differential Equation, Probability and Statistics, Complex Analysis. In AB, Linear Algebra, Calculus, Ordinary Differential Equation, Partial Differential Equation, Probability and Statistics, Complex Analysis, Numerical Methods. In CE, Linear Algebra, Calculus, Ordinary Differential Equation, Partial Differential Equation, Probability and Statistics, and Numerical Methods. For more details, join Mission Career GATE classes in every Friday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. for Engineering Mathematics. Contact GATE Coordinator Dr. Somnath Das of SVIST. Third year SVIST college students from any department, you do not have to pay, but other years students, you may discuss this matter with Dr. Somnath Das, and also the outsiders and also the other college students may contact Dr. Somnath Das and you can discuss about details with him. For more details, join Mission Career GATE class in every Friday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. College students of SVIST, third year college students of SVIST do not have to pay. Other students of other years or other colleges may contact the coordinator Dr. Somnath Das regarding fees and other details.
For admission and course-related enquiry, please visit college website http://www.svist.org/